Hi everyone, a new series of pro tips is finally starting around JS and the JavaScript ecosystem. And we are starting off with properly managing the upgrade over time of all those dependencies you're managing through npm. Generally, when you want to upgrade your dependencies so that they don't fall behind too much, maybe because they are vulnerable to stuff or just because you want some performance of security or feature updates, what you end up doing is the npm outdated built-in command. And that's a command that just queries the registries and shows you for all your dependencies what's behind. And you've got dependencies for development, dependencies for production. npm outdated by default does not show you that, but using the --long option, you get that, you get the kind of dependency, the package type, and you also get the homepage links for further information. So there's red and yellow lines in there. The red lines are packages that I should upgrade very soon because I have a semantic versioning requirement, usually with a caret character in my package.json file that tells me that I can have 400 or up. For instance, but excluding 5. Okay, so the thing is there are like 7 minor versions without breaking changes, assuming the package actually honors semantic versioning, that are available, and it should make those upgrades very fast. On the other hand, as you can see, there are yellow lines, and those are packages that I'm up to date in their current major, but actually have another major version available that might have breaking changes. So I'm up to date in terms of what I have expressed as my baseline in package.json as my compatibility range, but I might want to check what the breaking changes are and whether I want to upgrade those packages as well. Now, working with npm directly for updates is actually kind of subpar. It's not very great because even if I do my homework, I do my research about all those packages, when I end up using npm update or npm install, it will basically update everything, or I need to manually provide specific packages and versions. So that's kind of cumbersome, and I want to work in a more granular way, which is why I'm introducing today a really cool little open source tool that I love called npm-check. It's distributed through npm, as you might expect, and it provides me with a really cool interactive user experience for it. I usually don't install that tool. I just invoke it through the npx or npm-exec command, which will live download it when I need it and when it has updates since the last time I used npx. And here goes. So you can see that it's been categorized by level of updates. Okay, I start with patch updates, JSON Web Token and NodeMon. Then I got minor updates. I can toggle any of these individually, or I can toggle everything. I got shortcuts for all that. Minor updates, again, I got all these, and I should be able to upgrade them with no trouble. You can see that there are development dependencies that are highlighted with the dev suffix. And then I got major updates, and major updates are possibly breaking. So I should do my research, and you can see I have all those homepage links. Again, I can toggle anything I want. And when I'm ready to go, I can just hit enter, and npm-check will automatically run all the relevant command lines for me over npm install. So it will start here with the production dependencies. You can see the --save option, and when it's done, it will go with --save dev for the development dependencies, and it will actually work for other kind of dependencies as well, like optional or peer. And there, I'm done. All my dependencies have been updated. If I run npm-check again, it will tell me that my dependencies look amazing. So there, that's a quick tiny tutorial over npm-check. There are actually other options, including like npm-check updates, I think, but I don't like their UX as much. And anyway, all of this is so much nicer than the built-in npm outdated, npm update experience. You actually have similar behavior built in other package manager. If you work with Yarn or PNPM, you will have that kind of functionality built in. Look at the link in the description to the article that is a companion to this video, and you will find a bit more information about what PNPM and Yarn provide to do this. But NPM, again, doesn't have anything sufficient out of the box, and npm-check is definitely my favorite alternative.